But it is out with the old and in with the new in Houston County. Their emergency management agency is rolling out a brand new emergency alert app, and you can start signing up for it next week.
Now, the app lets you pick the alerts that matter the most to you, so you'll be able to know about the weather in your area. Elizabeth Hunter has more about the change and how you can sign up.
It comes and goes so fast. You just do the best you can with the information you have.
Every second counts when disaster hits.
If it hadn't been for God, we wouldn't be here today.
Diana Gonzalez has lived in her house for 15 years. 3 years ago, one of Central Georgia's biggest tornadoes swept through the neighborhood, destroying a majority of her house. She says an updated notification system could have helped prepare them a little bit earlier for the devastation that was heading their way.
They have a code red here, but anything that can enhance warnings of anything like that would greatly be appreciated. We had enough time to just make cover before the tornado actually hit the house.
Emergency Management Director Chris Stoner says Houston County's new alert system, RAVE, is equipped with the tools to notify people of any type of disaster.
This new system will allow us to say, do you want to receive notifications about water outages? Do you want to receive notifications about weather? Do you want to receive notifications that are more emergent?
People will have to go through a new sign-up process and download the app, but Stoner says it is simple.
Even if they were receiving notifications from our code red system, we're going to provide a new sign-up portal, and it'll take them to something similar to this right here.
Stoner says the app allows you to talk back and ask for help.
We could push out something and say, if you need assistance, please reply to this. And that message would come back and we would be able to pull it up in the system and see what you actually submitted back and your location.
In Houston County, Elizabeth Hunter, 13 WMAZ News.
Starting next week, you can find the sign-up link for the new system on the county's website and social media pages. If you missed any news from Perry, Warner Robins, or Kathleen, stream the newest episode of Robins Regional Wrap now on 13 WMAZ+.